Welcome to all of you gathered today for the GLOBE training in Bishkek, Kyrgyz Republic. I'm Dr. Tony Murphy, Director of the GLOBE Implementation Office, and I'm speaking to you from Boulder, Colorado, USA. I have been involved in GLOBE for more than 20 years, first as a postgraduate student, later as a trainer, and now as Director of the GLOBE office in Colorado. GLOBE has been a journey of discovery for me, as it has been for many people in the GLOBE community, and it may be for you too. And what makes this even more special is that I began my journey just like you, as a teacher in training. If you are interested in the science of the environment, then you will like GLOBE's hands-on approach, since GLOBE requires students to explore in the largest classroom there is, the outdoors. The first action we ask students to take is to go outdoors, to see, to feel, and to listen, to make observations and ask good questions, to learn by observing, and then by doing, rather than simply by memorizing facts in books. What we are learning about is the Earth system. The Earth is a dynamic planet. The continents, atmosphere, oceans, ice, and life are always changing and interacting. These complex and interconnected processes comprise the Earth system. By learning how the components of the Earth work together, we begin to understand the Earth as an integrated system instead of as isolated parts. The GLOBE learning process begins for students at a very young age. 5-year-olds learn about clouds as predictors of weather, for example, and about changing seasons. As students progress through their school years, the learning activities become more rigorous and challenging. GLOBE students learn about the atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and pedosphere, or soil. Not only how they work, but how they work together. GLOBE has developed a suite of protocols and learning activities, all available to you at no cost online. GLOBE has developed new apps for collecting and transmitting environmental data using mobile devices, in addition to using instrumentation in school-based weather stations. There are also e-training modules that will guide you through how to conduct environmental investigations with your students, all free and online. These resources are sure to be a help to you as new GLOBE teachers. In GLOBE, you will find not only professional resources, you will find the company of other teachers around the world who are concerned about how we live in the world and how we can protect it. GLOBE brings students together in person or online to work collaboratively, locally, regionally, and internationally. These activities may be simple science projects you do at your school, or they may be large-scale projects such as global campaigns. GLOBE has other exciting projects through its unique partnerships with NASA satellite missions that involve students in taking measurements on their schoolyards at the precise time that Earth-observing satellites are flying overhead, and then comparing their data with that of the satellite missions. This gets students to think beyond the borders of their schoolyards, to see the big picture, and to develop a planetary perspective. GLOBE has an international virtual science symposium each year. Students can enter this symposium online. Your students' projects, provided they meet the entry requirements, will be posted online and mentored and judged by real scientists. And finally, GLOBE encourages students to analyze their data and to do research using data in the GLOBE database. Currently, GLOBE students around the world have contributed to the more than 160 million data that our GLOBE students in 121 countries and scientists can access. 2 decades of good work have gone into making GLOBE a world leader in earth science education. I invite you to learn more about GLOBE at www.globe.gov. I wish to express my sincere appreciation for the many teachers here today, and from the Ministry of Education and Science, Ms. Saduk Nazorova, Kyrgyz National University, Mr. Dusho Nakunov, State Agency for Environmental Protection and Forestry, Ms. Dushenova, Nature and Biodiversity Conservation Union, Mr. Asikolov, and to the officials of the U.S. Embassy if present. In closing, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Nurmira Zanakulava, former GLOBE country coordinator, who has been with GLOBE for many years and whose initial efforts have made this event possible. And to your trainer here today, Fyodor Surkov, a longtime friend of GLOBE. Thank you and welcome into the vibrant worldwide GLOBE community. Thank you for all that you do for GLOBE.